Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So Upstart Stock Technicals, and let's have a look at what levels to watch for this stock. So it has gone up very crazy move for the past month or so, 2 months maybe. And what's now from here? So stock is sitting at $360 level. And also, before I start talking about this name, so if you want to watch this this video a little bit faster, just switch the speed to 1.25 or 1.5, because I think I don't speak that too fast. If you if you want to try that, go ahead, take a look how it sounds. So let's go. I want to switch to a daily chart, okay? I want to just go through the resistances, supports I have been watching for this name. So this is a daily chart, 1 year chart of the stock, all-time highs, almost 401. It didn't close at those levels, but it hit 401 all-time highs. And this breakout of this 345, I believe, I have been watching this level as a support. So in case we pull back a little bit more, I'm expecting this level to be as a support. If it doesn't hold, I have been watching other levels here, which is 305 maybe right here and 290. So maybe this zone between 305 and 290, that zone I'm watching as a support. And also, let me switch to we're going to look at the different time frames, but let's take a look at the moving averages. If you look at the moving averages, 50-day moving average sloping up right here at 280. So if you think that, okay, stock is extended, it needs to take a break, that level could act as a support as well. So if, let's say, in a couple days you'll see the moving average push up all the way till 300 and then stock pull back to this level, that could be the support. But if it doesn't look back and just takes off from here, 350, potential is that 400 is resistance, and above 400 it can go to 500. So at the moment, the market capitalization of Upstart UPST is 28 billion. So still relatively small cap, and outstanding shares 77 million. So low float stock. These stocks, momentum stocks, they move crazy. So let's see what else we can talk about here. So maybe MACD. On a MACD, momentum has been slowing. So whether it means what it means. So last time we saw this bearish crossover right here. Look what happened. It did pull back, and then it started ripping higher. So could be the same. We are maybe about to get this bearish crossover here. If we don't push higher from here, and then it might pull back to these $300 levels. But if it doesn't, and if it just turns from here, that's 305. Basically 347 has, if that level acts as a support and tries to push higher, I would watch 400 as a resistance to the upside. And also, let me switch to let's take a look at the different time frames. Maybe this is a daily chart. On a weekly chart, let's see if we had a negative weeks after this push higher. So after getting above this $200 level, look, it did go straight up in about like 5 weeks until we had this pullback, and then this sharp move, and then tomorrow it's Friday, so it depends where it's going to close tomorrow. So in 2 weeks we're getting a pullback. So what about the monthly chart? So October, we still have a week and a plus, so a little bit more time. On a monthly chart, that's how it looks. So ever since going public, so it looks like $22 was the lows. It had only 3 months of a red close. Basically April, it was pretty volatile, and then June, July, and look, for the past 3 months, stock has gone up 3 times. So of course there are going to be people who will take a profit, and they have earnings coming up. We have earnings season basically at the moment, Q3 being reported. Many stocks are reporting, and their earnings scheduled November 9th. So maybe I would be cautious to trade maybe breakout if it does go tests this level. And I'm gonna basically expect muted reaction whatever they report, because stock has gone up so much that even if they report positive earnings and guides higher, you might see a muted reaction. So basically it might not do much. And I don't trade much earnings, but just my 2 cents when it comes to that. So what about the option market for Upstart? So let's take a look at the volume. We still have like 30 minutes until market close. And today, 32,000 calls were traded, 14,000 puts were traded. So a very low volume day. So not many people trading because it has been pretty snoozy for the past 2 days or so. Maybe people are waiting for this stock to decide whether it wants to go lower or whether it wants to bounce from here. So that's the update for Upstart, and thanks for watching. And if you guys want me to look at other names, drop a comment. We'll definitely take a look. But that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.